this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch the game chat from your party chat on your Xbox One. So if I press the Xbox guide button, then tab on over to the parties and chat screen, I can create a party right here in the top left. And I already have one created, so I'm just going to select this. Now there's two different ways that we can switch to the game chat. It says switch to the game chat, press this button right here. So we can see the two boxes on our controller. Select this button, then we can switch to the game chat. Now when you switch to the game chat, it's going to say party chat right here. So when we're in the game chat, it's going to say switch to game chat. Now there's another way that you can go ahead and do this. So on the left side of the screen, we can go to options, and scroll on down. Then we can go to switch to game chat right here. So we know game chat is specifically turned on. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.